This week I am testing the Lexus RX350. This is a lovely luxury 5-seater. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. In the back of the Lexus RX350, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, and they're really clearly labelled and easy to connect and access through the boot. Now, space is really good back here. These rear seats are really nice and wide and comfortable. I could easily fit 3 child seats across here. Now, with that infant capsule installed there, I could fit a 180cm driver in front. Legroom is very good in here. Storage in the back of the Lexus RX350 is very good. There's a fold-down armrest in the central seat back that has 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's sippy cup fits in there too. On the back of both front seats are mat pockets that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a great size back here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in there too, and there's the storage handle wells too. Storage in the front is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them there is a shelf good for a phone, and underneath the retractable lid there's a wireless phone charging pad and some other storage too. The central console box is a really good size, and you can open that from either side and the lid pops up. There's a glasses case in the ceiling that's lined. The glove box is a good size in here, but with the manual and the safety kit, there wasn't really room for anything more than a phone. The door bins are a really good size in the front. They'll hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad and wallet fit too, and there's the storage handle wells. There are air vents in the back of the central console box in the RX350, which are fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back at the right temperature while you're driving along. Now, the Lexus RX350 has a 5-star ANCAP rating and airbags that cover the rear passengers in the back. There are built-in rear window blinds in the rear doors of the Lexus RX350, which are fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back shaded from the sun while you're driving along. The media system in the Lexus RX350 is really lovely and easy to navigate. It's got Apple CarPlay here, so you can access your phone and all your apps as well. Now, if you go into the driving settings, you can customize everything in here and change the drive mode. Also, you can go in and change things like the sound and media and all sorts of things like that as well, like that. Now, you've also got built-in sat-nav in there as well, and you also control the climate on the screen here, so you can turn your aircon on and off. You've got heated and cooled seats, all sorts of things like that. Now, when I put it into reverse, you turn those parking sensors off really nice and easily on the screen there. You've got lovely clear views that fill the entire screen. The boot door of the RX350 opens and closes really easily, just the press of a button. Let's find out how the taller prams fit in the boot.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Taller. When the boot is empty, it will hold 17 shopping bags. Or the Taller Sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Lexus RX350 with 8 shopping bags. Or the Taller Urban Glide 2 Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 8 shopping bags. Or the Taller Spring, lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Lexus RX350 with 11 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre and 2 40-litre Taller Chasm duffel bags. Or a medium-sized dog.
This RX350 is a really nice car to drive. It feels really comfortable, but really solid and sturdy and grounded on the road. And it sounds strange, but the steering wheel is really nice and solid and chunky, which kind of gives you a feeling of confidence too. Now visibility is good in here. Even with those 3 child seats installed in the back, I can see out of the back window. And if you want extra visibility with the cameras, there's a button you can press in the dash to put the cameras on. Now the turning circle is pretty good in here too, and schools, supermarket car parks, type multi-stories, it's actually very good and nice and easy to manoeuvre and park. So to sum up with the Lexus RX350, it does make a fantastic family car. You can fit those 3 child seats really nicely across the back row with excellent legroom. The boot space is very generous, you can fit those taller prams really nicely. The drive is really comfortable and the media system and cameras are very good.